Struggling to make ends meet as a college student? Looking for ways to earn extra cash without sacrificing your study time? Look no further. Here are 15 amazing side hustles perfect for college students just like you. Whether you need extra money for textbooks, living expenses, or just some fun, these side hustles can help you boost your income while fitting around your busy schedule. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, freelance writing could be your ticket to extra cash. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr offer countless opportunities. As a freelance writer, you can write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. The best part? You can work from anywhere, anytime. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. To get started, create a profile on these platforms, showcasing your writing skills. Include samples of your work, even if they're from a personal blog or school projects. This helps potential clients see what you can do. Start by bidding on small projects to build your portfolio. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates and take on larger, higher-paying jobs. Freelance writing not only helps you earn extra money, but also improves your writing skills, which can be beneficial for your studies and future career. So, if you love writing and want a flexible side hustle, give freelance writing a try. You never know, it might just turn into a full-time career. Side hustle 2. Tutoring. Good at a particular subject. Offer tutoring services to fellow students or local high schoolers. You can even tutor online through platforms like Chegg. Tutoring is a great way to share your knowledge and help others succeed academically. Plus, it allows you to reinforce your own understanding of the subject. To get started, decide which subjects you're most confident in. Next, spread the word by putting up flyers on campus, posting in student groups on social media, or letting your professors know you're available to tutor. For online tutoring, sign up on platforms like Chegg or tutor.com. These sites connect you with students from all over the world who need help in your area of expertise. When tutoring, be patient and clear in your explanations. Tailor your teaching style to each student's needs, and provide plenty of practice problems and examples. Tutoring not only helps you earn extra money, but also boosts your communication and teaching skills, which are valuable in any career. So if you're good at a particular subject and enjoy helping others, tutoring could be the perfect side hustle for you. Side hustle 3. Social media management. Spend a lot of time on social media? Put those skills to use by managing social media accounts for small businesses or influencers. Social media management involves creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance metrics. It's a flexible job that you can do from anywhere, making it perfect for busy college students. To get started, identify your strengths on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. Create a portfolio showcasing your skills, such as examples of engaging posts you've created or growth you've achieved on your own accounts. Reach out to small businesses or local influencers who might need help with their social media presence. You can also find opportunities on freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr. When managing social media accounts, it's important to understand the brand's voice and audience. Consistently posting high-quality content and interacting with followers can help grow the account and improve engagement. Social media management not only provides extra income, but also builds valuable marketing and communication skills. So, if you love social media and have a knack for creating engaging content, consider social media management as a side hustle. Side hustle 4. Graphic design. If you're artistic and have graphic design skills, create logos, social media graphics, and more for clients on freelance sites. Graphic design is in high demand as businesses and individuals need visually appealing content for their brands. Whether it's logos, marketing materials, or social media graphics, your creativity can turn into cash. To get started, build a portfolio of your best work. If you don't have client work to show, create sample designs that highlight your skills. Use platforms like Behance or Dribbble to showcase your portfolio. Sign up on freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or 99 Designs, and start bidding on projects that match your skills. As you complete more projects and receive positive reviews, you can charge higher rates. Graphic design allows you to work on a variety of projects, keeping your work interesting and diverse. Plus, you can work from anywhere, making it a flexible option for students. So, if you have a passion for design and want to earn extra money, graphic design could be the perfect side hustle for you. Side Hustle 5. Pet sitting and dog walking. Love animals? Pet sitting and dog walking can be a fun way to earn money. Apps like Rover make it easy to find clients. Pet sitting and dog walking are great side hustles if you enjoy spending time with animals. It's a flexible job that can fit around your class schedule and other commitments. To get started, sign up on pet care platforms like Rover or Wag. Create a profile highlighting your experience with animals and any relevant skills or certifications you have. You can offer services like dog walking, pet sitting, or even overnight stays. Be sure to communicate clearly with pet owners about their pet's needs and preferences. Pet sitting and dog walking not only provide extra income, but also give you a chance to get outside, exercise, and enjoy the company of furry friends. So, if you love animals and want a fun, flexible way to earn extra cash, consider pet sitting and dog walking as your side hustle. Side Hustle 6. Selling handmade crafts. Sell your handmade goods on Etsy or at local craft fairs. If you enjoy creating handmade items like jewelry, candles, or artwork, turning your hobby into a side hustle can be both fun and profitable. To get started, set up an Etsy shop and list your items with clear photos and detailed descriptions. Pricing your items appropriately is crucial, so research similar products to find a competitive price point. In addition to selling online, look for local craft fairs or markets where you can showcase your creations in person. These events can help you reach new customers and get immediate feedback on your products. Marketing your crafts on social media can also boost your sales. Share your creative process, new items, and behind-the-scenes looks to engage potential buyers. Selling handmade crafts allows you to express your creativity while earning extra income. It's a flexible side hustle that can grow as you develop your skills and build a customer base. So, if you're crafty and love making unique items, consider selling your handmade goods as a side hustle. Side Hustle 7. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or market research studies. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for your opinions. If you're looking for a simple way to earn extra money in your spare time, online surveys and market research studies can be a great option. These platforms reward you for sharing your thoughts on various products and services. To get started, sign up on websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Fill out your profile so they can match you with surveys that fit your demographics and interests. The surveys typically take anywhere from a few minutes to half an hour, and you'll earn points or cash for each one you complete. While the payouts may not be huge, it's an easy way to make some extra cash during your free time. Participating in market research studies can sometimes offer higher rewards. These studies may involve product testing, focus groups, or longer surveys. Online surveys and market research won't make you rich. So, if you're looking for a low-commitment side hustle, give online surveys and market research a try. Side Hustle 8. Virtual assistant. Help busy professionals with administrative tasks as a virtual assistant. This can include email management, scheduling, and more. As a virtual assistant, you'll be providing support to clients remotely, handling tasks that they don't have time for. This side hustle is flexible and can be done from the comfort of your own home. To get started, identify the skills you can offer, such as email management, scheduling, data entry, or social media management. Create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, and highlight your administrative skills. Begin by offering your services to small businesses or entrepreneurs who need help staying organized. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and take on more clients. Being a virtual assistant requires good communication, organization, and time management skills. It's an excellent way to develop these abilities while earning extra income. Virtual assisting is versatile and can lead to long-term working relationships with clients. So, if you're organized and enjoy helping others stay on top of their tasks, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Side Hustle 9. Ride-sharing or delivery services. Have a car? Consider driving for Uber or Lyft, or delivering food with DoorDash or Uber Eats. Ride-sharing and delivery services offer flexible opportunities to earn money using your car. You can choose your own hours and work as much or as little as you want, making it ideal for college students with varying schedules. To get started, sign up with companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Uber Eats. you'll need to meet their vehicle and background check requirements, which vary by service. Once approved, you can start accepting rides or delivery requests through the app. Be sure to maintain a high rating by providing excellent customer service and being prompt and courteous. Driving for ride-sharing services involves transporting passengers to their destinations, while delivery services involve picking up and dropping off food orders from restaurants. Both options offer the flexibility to work during your free time. Whether it's between classes or on weekends, ride-sharing and delivery services can be a reliable way to make extra money, especially if you enjoy driving and meeting new people. So, if you have a car and want a flexible way to earn extra cash, consider working with ride-sharing or delivery services. Side hustle 10, photography. If you have a good camera and photography skills, offer your services for events or sell your photos online. Photography can be a lucrative side hustle. If you know how to capture great moments, you can offer your services for events like weddings, parties, and corporate functions, or sell your photos as stock images online. To get started, create a portfolio showcasing your best work. This could be on a personal website or a platform like Instagram or Flickr. Highlight different styles of photography, such as portraits, landscapes, and event photography. Promote your services through social media, word of mouth, and local community boards. You can also join freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients. For selling photos online, sign up on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Upload your best shots and earn money each time someone downloads your image. Photography allows you to express your creativity while making money, and it can turn into a full-time career if you build a strong client base. So, if you have a passion for photography and a good camera, consider offering your photography services or selling your photos online. Side hustle 11. Rent out your space. Have extra space? Rent it out on Airbnb. You can even rent out a parking space if you're near a busy area. Renting out unused space can be a great way to earn passive income, whether it's an extra room, a basement apartment, or even just a parking space. You can make money by renting it out. To get started with Airbnb, create a listing for your space with detailed descriptions and high-quality photos. Be transparent about the amenities and rules, and set a competitive price based on similar listings in your area. If you have a parking space in a busy area, consider renting it out through apps like SpotHare or JustPark. This can be especially lucrative if you're near popular attractions or business districts. Renting out your space can provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort. It's a flexible option that allows you to earn money without a significant time commitment. So, if you have extra space that's not being used, consider renting it out to generate extra income. Side hustle 12, personal training or fitness coaching. If you're into fitness, become a personal trainer or offer fitness coaching online or in person. Fitness coaching is a great side hustle if you're passionate about health and wellness. You can help others achieve their fitness goals while earning extra money. To get started, consider getting certified as a personal trainer through organizations like NASM, ACE, or ISSA. This will give you credibility and knowledge to effectively train clients. Offer your services at local gyms, community centers, or even online. Create workout plans, provide nutritional advice, and offer one-on-one or group sessions. If you prefer online coaching, use platforms like Trainerize or True Coach to connect with clients and deliver personalized fitness programs. You can also use social media to share fitness tips and attract clients. Personal training not only helps you earn money, but also keeps you motivated and in shape. It's a rewarding way to share your passion for fitness with others. So, if you're into fitness and enjoy helping others reach their health goals, consider becoming a personal trainer or fitness coach. Side hustle 13, transcription services. Have good listening and typing skills? Offer transcription services for audio and video recordings. Transcription services are in high demand for converting audio and video content into written text. This could include transcribing interviews, podcasts, lectures, and more. To get started, sign up on transcription platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, or Scribey. These websites offer a steady stream of transcription jobs that you can do from home. Accuracy and speed are key in transcription work. You'll need to have good listening skills to understand different accents and speakers, and strong typing skills to quickly and accurately convert speech to text. As you gain experience, you can move on to higher paying transcription jobs, such as medical or legal transcription. which may require additional training or certification. Transcription services offer flexible work hours and can be done from anywhere, making it an ideal side hustle for students. So, if you have good listening and typing skills, consider offering transcription services to earn extra income. Side Hustle 14, selling textbooks. Sell your old textbooks online or to other students. Websites like Bookscouter can help you find the best prices. Textbooks can be expensive, but you can recoup some of your costs by selling them when you no longer need them. This is a quick and easy way to make extra money. To get started, gather the textbooks you no longer need. Use websites like Bookscouter to compare prices from different buyback vendors and find the best offers for your books. You can also sell your textbooks directly to other students on campus or through online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. Be sure to set competitive prices and provide accurate descriptions of the book's condition. Selling textbooks not only helps you earn extra cash, but also benefits other students who can buy your books at a lower price than new ones. So if you have old textbooks lying around, turn them into cash by selling them online or to fellow students. Side Hustle 15, blogging or YouTube channel. Share your knowledge or hobbies by starting a blog or YouTube channel. With time and effort, this can turn into a lucrative income stream. If you're passionate about a particular topic, whether it's cooking, travel, technology, or personal finance, starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a rewarding side hustle. It allows you to share your interests with a wider audience and potentially earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. To get started, choose a niche that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. Create a blog using platforms like WordPress or Blogger, or set up a YouTube channel. Consistently produce high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Promote your blog or channel through social media, and engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through various means, such as Google AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsored posts or videos. Building a successful blog or YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it can become a significant source of income as your audience and influence grow. So if you love sharing your knowledge or hobbies, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel as a side hustle. 15 side hustles perfect for college students. Remember, the key to success is consistency and effort. Start small, and who knows, your side hustle might even turn into a full-time gig. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money and managing your finances.